Hello, dear learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. In this session, we are going to do with one more cue card. The cue card is describe a difficult thing you did. You should say what it was, how did you complete it, why it was difficult, and how you felt about doing it. So, the sample answer that I have prepared: doing new things is always difficult. If I talk about a difficult thing that I did, it was about a year ago when I had to host the stage after the class teacher of mine asked me to do it. Actually, the original participant had withdrawn himself due to some unforeseen circumstances. It was the annual function in my school. My teachers usually said that I was good at communication skills. I participated in a group discussion and got appreciation many times, but it was the first time my teacher asked me to do such a thing for which I did not get enough time to prepare. I was really very hesitant. I anticipated that it would be really very difficult, and I was absolutely right. Anchoring on stage, organizing the performances, introducing the guests and participants is not a piece of cake. And I realized this thing when I got on the stage for the first time. I had no option but to do it. I did all my work that I could do in the little time. My class teacher also helped me prepare the list of the performers and the guests. Even then, I faced many difficulties. Actually, handling the stage is a kind of skill that you acquire by the time by practicing. Also, it becomes crucial that you do required practice before you get on a stage. But situation was such that everything happened all of a sudden. So I could not get the opportunity to practice. Being honest, my heart kept sinking all the time I spent on the stage. I hope you like it. Bye bye.